Pamela's Creations. How are you all doing today? This will be take number 6. I'm not sure what's going on with my camera at all. I'm getting really upset. I guess being upset doesn't really matter, right? It's just electronic equipment. I got some Happy Mail. I got this lovely card from a subscriber. It's a beautiful card too. Llama, so cute. Thank you, Kathy. That was very sweet. I cherish cards, you know. I put them in my binder here. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You don't know how much that means to me. And then I got some Happy Mail from a dear subscriber. She's become my friend. I appreciate her. This card is really funny. Gangsta rap. See what it says? Isn't that funny? Our friendship isn't a happening thing. And she's grateful for our friendship. And then she sent me, I love this yarn. Because I truly love this yarn too. It's pretty, huh? And the colorway on this is Electricana. And I believe that this is a 4-weight maybe? And I plan on making a hat, scarf, or one of them bun hat things. I'm really irritated with my camera right now. I just want to throw that up there. Ah, this stuff is super soft. And this is Burnett Baby in the colorway Little Cosmos. And I'm thinking, I'm not sure yet. Maybe a plushie of some sort? I don't know yet. Then I got this awesome box. Just 1 second. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? This. And so in this cute box, I got these angels, which I plan on making some earrings out of and sending back to her, a pair of earrings. And then I'm going to make earrings out of the rest of them and I'm going to sell them either at a craft fair or online or something. But these are absolutely so, these are pretty. I love them. Pins, because I like pins. And she got me this pattern. It's Wellness Baby Lovey Octopus Crocheted Lovey. Gotta try that. And when you're a craft person, you always need buttons, right? I got buttons from Miss Madonna, and I got 2 more things of buttons. Look at that. Buttons. Excuse my nails. I'm going to get them fixed tomorrow. Then some gum, which I'm going to try. lobster clasps. 15mm. They're good for, I use them for like necklaces or stitch markers. But most likely these will be used for stitch markers. Kathy, thank you. You know who you are? Thank you. I don't want to mention her name. Okay. My cards will go in my binder. Thank you, Kathy. That was very sweet of you. I appreciate that. The only thing I have been working on, I kind of lost my Crojo the last few days. I don't know why. But now I got all this yarn from Madonna and from my friend and more. So the only thing I've been working on are these. Hopefully all put together. And I will, I do have a few whips. I'm hoping to have those done by Monday or Sunday. They're stitch markers. And I put them all on a key ring. Yeah, they have, some of them have orange, some of them have the blue beads. And then this one down here, the charm says, made by, made with love. Yeah. So I was thinking like 4 or 5, maybe $7 or $8, something like that. I'll be making more. I have ones I just bought the other day that have pumpkins on them. I'm really excited about how these turned out, and they just have the, the clip on them. And I put them in here for now because I'm going to be putting them on a card and sending them, putting them for sale. Let me know if you're interested. Sorry about the lighting in here. It's just not very good right now. I don't have a main light in my living room, and it's getting dark out, and all I have is this stupid yellow light because our walls are kind of a peachish color. So my husband kind of colored it. It's kind of a peachish color. So yeah, sorry this looks orange. So yeah, so there's my happy meal. I'll shut up now and I will let you guys go. And my new subscribers and all my subscribers have stuck with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You just don't know how much that means to me. I hope you like, subscribe, and share my channel. Check out the knit crate unboxing I did. There's some little thing in there, so check that out. And that's it. You guys all take care and be kind to one another.